G'day, this is the unboxing of the Western Digital SSD. This is the 500GB variant. Just got two of them arrive in the mail today, so just got it out of the package. Just this is a quick unboxing for you guys. So the actual profile of the packaging is quite small. Okay. Yeah, so I just got two of these. As you can see here, this 500GB variant. Okay. And if we just get this thing here. Break open the seal. And yeah, we're just gonna pull this tab here. Beautiful. So this is the actual drive. It's quite small in profile again. And the serial number, all the details there, so let's get it out. Alright, cool, so here it is. And again, it's a small profile. And yeah, so that was a quick unboxing of the, again, Western Digital SSD hard drive. Links will be in the description if you want to purchase it. Thank you.